you could build this, okay? And once you build this, what do? You go get some affiliates, and you give them an affiliate link that leads to the squeeze page. So let's finish that off. So here we have our, let me just go back a couple steps, all the way to the squeeze page. So here's our funnel squeeze page. Well, if we come into Infusionsoft and we go under Referral Partners, we can create a referral tracking link. And I can come in here to the right, say add a referral tracking link. I can say funnel goes here, applies to this program, whatever, save. And now I have this funnel link. So let's take any referral partner. Let me go here again. And let's just say that Jordan here wanted to promote. Okay, when he logs into his referral center, or I could send it to him, he's going to get something like this. If he goes to link generator, here's that funnel link for him, funnel/Jordan, whatever. So now all I need to do is send that link to Jordan. If I already had some affiliates, well, I would go and I would create a template, and I would make an email template. Funnel affiliate invite, right? And I would say, here's your unique affiliate link to promote this month's special, or whatever. Probably terrible copy. Now, in here, whoops, maybe I'll switch to the other builder for a second. Okay. In here, I have my link, and I take the word Jordan, and I say, well, email is not going to just Jordan. It's going to, and maybe I'll make this font a lot bigger for you guys. Can you guys read that? Okay. So instead of it going to Jordan specifically, I want to send this email to 1,000 affiliates. Well, instead of Jordan, why don't we merge in whichever affiliate it so happens to be? And now, when we send this email to 1,000 people, they send those links to their lists. Their lists hit our squeeze page. They download our free thing. They buy our thing. They take our upsell. They go to our thanks page, so on and so forth, right? So that's as easy as it is. All you need now an affiliate sign-up page, and when they fill out the affiliate sign-up page, send them emails like this that have their links in them. And the affiliate sign-up thank you page, remember mine, how it had all their resources there? Their resources would be a link like this that starts at the beginning of the process. So it is actually that easy. And what most people may want to do or may be inclined to do is complicate it with some things. That's why I said until you have this, I wouldn't do other stuff. Do you guys see how this can work with some of the good copy? I mean, can you see yourself with something like this making you more money than you're making now? Yeah. So, that's how it all works together. Now I'll show you guys the cream on top. If you go to Web Analytics, you can track all of those. So right now, what did I just make? If I go to my criteria, and I say, what does a page start with? What I want to filter actually is the dates. Can I filter the dates of this? I guess not. Anyways, that's annoying. But all the tracking for not only the Infusionsoft pages, it'll tell you how many views, how many of them were unique, how many became contacts, and how many unique customers came out of people hitting this page. For every page, including, because I did something, which I'll show you in a second, including my WordPress pages. Infusionsoft is tracking its sales and order pages and my WordPress pages. So if I wanted to go through here and find all of these ones and say, show me whatever contains the word funnel, here are my little pages. I've had 4 to my squeeze, 5 to my funnel sales page, 9 to my one-click, and 1 got to the thank you page. And then the order page is named a little differently. Remember, as an Infusionsoft link, so I could also search for it separately. I could just find my order page, which was here. And I could say, okay, I see all these stats in my web analytics. That's awesome. Now I want to also see the order page, stats, and there's its stats. So I actually have built into Infusionsoft all this tracking. Now the tracking was not automatically in WordPress. What I had to do is click this green button that says Get Tracking Code. I had to copy all of this tracking code and I had to go out to WordPress. And in my case, since I have Optimized Press, all I did is I put it. Optimized Press has, in general settings, a spot down here for code, custom tracking codes right there. Do you see this? All I did is paste it in right there into Optimized Press. I have full visibility into all my pages. And not just visibility, because here's the thing. When you use Google Analytics, how many of you guys use Google Analytics? Okay, about half of you. Google Analytics is cool, but when you look at Google Analytics, you see visitors. You don't know which visitors bought. You don't know which visitors, from which sources and so on bought. With this, you actually know who's buying what. You have full transparency. And if I go to a record like mine, wrong search. If I go to my record, you'll see about, well, it depends on how often I filled out these forms, but we should see a huge list. Let's go to the test guy. He's been active today. Test@test.com. The two test@test.coms, right, Carrie? Hold on. Did you guys see that? Yeah, it did, huh? They merged them together afterwards or something. Oh, that's right, that's right. Okay, we're not crazy. Good. All right, so here is the original record that we wanted. On this record, you know how I said there's all these sub-records? Well, guess what you have? You have their web profile right there, which tells you every page they hit, what browser they were in, what operating system they have, what plugins they're running within their browser, and how long they were on all of those pages. So I can actually see, if I would have taken one user through that whole process earlier, I could see they were on my upsell page for 5 seconds, they were on my order page for 35 seconds, and so on and so forth. Fusionsoft, this is what I talked about, the holistic nature that this thing starts to cover everything. This is the overlying advantage. It's just that you can find everything. You can find